Hello there, dear Americans, dear English-speaking residents of our world. How are you doing? Today, I would like to discuss the dollar. We are currently confronting a possible decline in the value of the dollar in the long term. Around the year 2026, it is possible that the value of the dollar may start to decline in comparison to other currencies. We must know what actions to take to preserve our capital. Which currencies should we focus on, huh? Where can we store our dollars to prevent loss so that the inflation of the dollar doesn't erode their value? If we take a look at the DXY index, we'll see that there's an upward trend going on. All trends that are on the rise will eventually experience a breakdown, and this trend that is currently rising will be broken down, but for that to happen, something unimaginable must occur in the world. For example, events like the US war with China on European territory, for example. Or perhaps there could be a highly global pandemic which will be significantly stronger and much deadlier than the pandemic that occurred in the year 2020. But looking at the charts, we can tell that the dollar is going to drop, other currencies are going to rise, and at the same time we might see a really messed up geopolitical situation in the world. What are the ways to safeguard our savings? What tools can we use to prevent the erosion of money's value caused by inflation? I would like to bring your attention to three essential tools. The first one I want to highlight is Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin? Because in 2024, Bitcoin will have a halving. It's already 2024, and in April of this year, Bitcoin will experience a halving. After the halving, in due course, the entire cryptocurrency market begins to experience a surge, which naturally includes Bitcoin. Bitcoin is beginning to rise and dragging the whole altcoin market with it. Numerous altcoins can provide a massive 10,000% profit. We have already created a long-term portfolio with our traders to shield ourselves from inflation, but also to generate some profitable returns. Cryptocurrency is similar to the initial tool we can utilize to safeguard ourselves from inflationary pressures. We will sell off Bitcoin and altcoins around the year 26, liquidating our holdings in cryptocurrencies. That might be approximately in the middle of 2025. I will continue to update you on this so that you do not miss anything. The second and third instruments are the pound and the franc. If you examine the pound and the franc, you will observe that both of them are preparing for an upward movement. Franc will be breaking through his resistance zone, while the pound is in a downtrend. This downward trend is going to break. This informs us that the dollar is going to drop after all, while these two currencies are going to rise. So we've got Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, we've got pounds, and we've got francs. These are three assets that will help us protect ourselves from inflation. We'll continue to develop this topic further, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. We just gotta make money, but not lose it. Until we meet again.